In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view or edit scheduled emails. If you use Gmail to plan messages ahead of time, it's helpful to know exactly where those emails live and how to tweak them before they go out. I'll walk you through viewing what's queued up, then show you the simple way to pull one back, make changes, and schedule it again. First, let's look at what you've scheduled. Open Gmail in your browser and look at the left sidebar. Click Scheduled. This opens a dedicated view that lists every email you've set to send later. You'll see the subject line, the recipients, and the exact date and time each message is set to go out. This is a great place to confirm you picked the right message and time, especially for time-sensitive notes or messages crossing time zones. Now, if you spot something you want to adjust, maybe a typo, an attachment you forgot, or a better send time, here's how to edit it. Open the scheduled folder and click the email you want to edit so it's on screen. At the top, click Cancel Send. Gmail immediately removes the message from your send queue and places it back in drafts, so it will not go out at the previously scheduled time. Next, go to Drafts, open that email, and make your edits. You can change the subject, the body, the recipients, or add attachments, whatever you need. Take a moment to proofread and confirm any links, since once it's scheduled again, it will send automatically at the time you choose. When you're ready to reschedule, look for the small down arrow next to the Send button, then click Schedule Send. Gmail will prompt you to choose a new time so it goes out exactly when you want. Pick a time that suits your recipient's work hours for better visibility. That's it. You viewed your scheduled messages, canceled one safely back to drafts, edited it, and rescheduled it in just a few clicks. Remember, the scheduled folder is your hub for anything queued, and drafts is where you can safely revise without anything being sent. Use this workflow anytime you need to make a quick change before an email leaves your outbox. You can repeat this process anytime, and nothing is sent to your recipients until you schedule it again. Keeping an eye on the scheduled view also helps you avoid duplicate messages or outdated details. With these simple checks, you stay in control of timing and accuracy without any last-minute surprises.